Let's change a water pump. This is a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. It's got the 3.7 liter V6. This stage we're gonna release the tension off the belt. Okay, we're gonna release the tension off the serpentine belt. We'll have to remove this idler pulley to reach this bolt, because we're gonna have to remove all the bolts in the water pump. This is the water pump. So we'll get our 15 millimeter. Don't get your fingers pinched in there. With the same 15 millimeter, let's remove this idler pulley. Now we can easily get to all the bolts with our 13 millimeter. Just remove all the bolts. Remember where they go. Some's going to be longer than the others. All the bolts are out. Pulled the bolts out. I just laid them out in the order of which they came out of the water pump. And here's the new water pump. It does come with instructions and a new rubber seal. You're going to clean the front of the block real well so it seals. And on the water pump, insert your rubber seal. Make sure it seats down in there. Line it up and start bolting it up. At this point, just hand tighten all of the bolts. Once you do that, double check, make sure everything's in line, nothing's in a bind. Then go back, do your final tightening in a star pattern. It doesn't matter which direction, just make sure you do it the opposite side so you don't warp the aluminum housing. We reinstall the idler pulley. It is installed. Pumps on, belts on, everything looks good. No water leaks. That concludes how to install the water pump.